How to make $500 per day on Big Cartel. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on Big Cartel. This software provides us the opportunity to create our own online store. We can easily set up our dropshipping business here. So let's get started. Here we are on bigcartel.com. We can find that we can easily create our own online store totally like for free without any payments. We have like $0 plan under 5 products. We also have $10 per month and $20 per month plans. Like it depends on the number of products, and of course we have some additional features. But in order to make money on Big Cartel, we don't have to buy, at least when we start. So let's click on sign up in the right top corner if you are new to this platform. I'm going to click on log in, and in a few seconds we'll come to our workspace where we need to set up our drop shipping store basically. So firstly go to account in the right top, and then scroll down to find the location and currency, and here we need to click on edit location and currency. After that, choose the necessary country you're living in, your time zone, and also currency you'd like to earn money in. Of course, I think it should be like US dollars or euro. So then click on save. I'm going to click on cancel. Then scroll a little bit down, and here click on set up your payment options, and here we will add our payment method. As you can see, we can add Stripe payments and also PayPal payments. As for me, I only have like PayPal because Stripe is not available in my country. So it depends on you. As for me, of course, Stripe is better because it will be more convenient as for us. So connect your Stripe app to this platform, to Big Cartel, and then just simply click on save. So after that, what we're gonna do next, we need to add our products to our online store. So click on products in the central part in the top of the screen, and then click on plus right up here. So we need to fill all the parameters. In order to show you an example, I've already created 2 products, for example this one here. So all we need to do is just simply upload our photo. As you can see, I have it. We need to add a product name, like black t-shirt in my case, and then add some additional description. For example, I just simply copied my name and pasted right up here in description, and also added some additional sizes. By the way, we need to add extra large. And then we need to add a category like t-shirt. Status, is it active, hidden, sold out, or coming soon? Of course, it depends on your product type you'd like to promote, you'd like to sell through Big Cartel. In my case, it should be active. And then just simply add a price, so input price, and then just all the variants, all the customizable stuff. In my case, I have a couple of sizes like small, medium, large, and so on. All the prices are the same. After that, we can also manage some shipping setup. In my case, I will not do it, but as for you, of course, you need to set up your shipping because you won't be able to dropship without shipping setups. And then you simply click on save. So after that, everything will be okay, and we'll be able to find it right up here. We can also change the order if it's necessary as for us. In my case, let it stay like this. Then click on your account and scroll down to your shop. So here we need to create our store. Maybe you will not have this window, so you need to click on create. In my case, I just simply need to click on design to start creating a design. And here we are on our website editor where we can manage all the stuff related with design of our store. In my case, I'm going to use this one, but we can also click on themes, and here we can find a lot of different themes we can use for our store. In order to use theme, we just simply need to click on use, and we'll be able to use this stuff because sometimes there are a lot of different like designs for our stores, like this for example. Maybe we'll be able to use this one here. It depends on your choice, on your style, on your product you'd like to promote. And then everything is done. I think it's better to like set these themes, view how will it look like with your products. For example, as for me, it's better to use product I like to use theme I edit than this one, because I don't really like this one here. So I'm going to set the previous one. Let it be like this one here. So this is the way of how can we change wall design, and what if we need to customize it for a little. Of course, we can add some code. In order to use code, we need to upgrade it to the next version, like to platinum or to like diamond. And also we can add some pages. But what is more interesting is that on a settings page, we can add our logo here. We can manage a background image. We can add colors for our color palette. For example, let's try to add a color of this button. So we need to scroll down to find the necessary parameter, like background for button. And then I'd like to change it to green. And also to button background hover, I'd like to change it to yellow like this. So now it looks like this, pretty cool. And we are ready to launch our website. We can also change font, like header font, simple font, and so on. Let's click on publish. And yeah, your changes are visible on the shop. Okay. And now our shop is ready to be used. I'm going to click on exit, and in order to get link, we just simply need to copy this stuff here. So as you can see, I have my shop on Big Cartel, and I can easily come to any single page. To this one, for example, I can add M size to my cart. Also, I can add extra large, and as you can see, all the changes were automatically added. For example, this color for the background of the background for this button. I can now go to cart and find all this stuff. I'm going to remove this one, and this one, and now I only have like M and extra large size. So I can click on continue to checkout, to pay, and after that all the orders will appear inside of this stuff here. And on the dashboard also we can track all the sales, for example, for the last week, or we can find some products information, categories, and so on. So the next step you need to do is that you need to find customers for your product. So you can use like social medias, some ads, and so on. You can try to sell something through your maybe personal brand, through other companies or something like this, and you can operate it with Big Cartel. So all you need to do is just simply find customers who will buy these t-shirts for $10 each, and in order to make $500 per day, you need to sell like 50 different t-shirts, even more if it's like for only profit. So yeah, but this is the way of how to make money on a Big Cartel. You can do it for free, and if you'll try to find paid plans, we can see that we have like $20 plan and like $10 plan, depends on your aims. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.